Do you see what I see? Alright, now I'd love to do this live, but I always get chopped off. I'm going to go play King of the Hill. You guys want to come with? Sweet. Let's rock. Alright, now I've been doing blah 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 blah. I'm freezing. Now I've been dying to do that since yesterday, but I kid you not, HTV could not find a camera crew. I was denied left, right, front, and center. Now who would not want to help me do something like that? Do you see how big that thing is? So anyway, I did it. I got it. The hostess with the mostest, Holly Baglio from HTV Rocks. I'm out of breath. Happy Friday. It's the last day of Hanukkah. 2020 totally rocks. I'm going to hate to see it go. So, I want my HTV. I want it now, and I want it live, and I want to see Holly play Queen of the Snow Bank. Yay! All right, guys, I'm gonna go act like a nut job in the stores. I got some pretty colorful things written on my mask, so now that I got adrenaline pumping through me, I'm ready to go. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys later. Sorry I can't turn the camera around.